pickleball and shuffleboard sports court built for a residence in Stony Brook, New York. We utilized a silver gray matte flex tiles, top court style for the perimeter of the court, and we used a navy blue for the shuffleboard and the pickleball court, and royal blue for the kitchen over the pickleball court. We also installed Dominator multi-sport netting, adjustable to pickleball, badminton, and volleyball. We utilize synthetic turf fringe for the outer perimeter to frame the court and separate it from the retaining wall. This is the last sports court, pickleball, shuffleboard built by Gappsi in Stony Brook, New York.